Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Thanks for hitting my car. Thanks for hitting my car. Yes, you hit my car. You're hitting it right now. No, she backed into me. My dash cam would prove differently. My dash cam would prove differently.
Bumpers are meant to be hit, or didn't you know that? It's bumper to bumpers. That's supposed to be there.
No, it's not. Get back in your car, you dumb.
Well, you're right on top of me.
You fucking hit me!
I wouldn't have if you'd have been back far enough.
We'll be here with your favorites, and always a smile.
God! Oh, no you don't. Oh, no you don't. 57DK429. Where is my phone at? Oh no, I got a dash camera. I got one even better than that. We need to pull over to a gas station. You were in the turning lane. You should have turned. You were in the turning lane.
Engine superchargers as hot as you can make them. Running at 310%, sir. Lovell reported. ETA 14 minutes. Replaying and digitally enhancing video record, Cortana said. She split the screen and zoomed on the huge Covenant ship, replaying the video as the large ship fired. The Covenant energy beams looked like a new weapon, Captain Keyes said. Faster than their plasma.
What are
Deadlier,
you doing?
too. The large ship veered off accelerated with torpedoes. But the high-energy explosives did nothing to stop the superheated bolts. 50 UNSC ships went up like flares, burning, exploding, falling toward the planet. The orbital supermac guns fired.
Oh, dude! He took a sharp turn. He should have took a wide turn, dude. No way.
Standing across the choppy waters and undercurrents of the inner sea was a rocky outline, a desolate, barren island rising below pressure. Sheer walls towered upward, unmarred by windows or
another. Oh.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.